Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO Y21D and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down. And as you can see here, we've got a separate section for the ringtones, for notifications, alarms, and the ringtone itself. So just tap on phone ringtone for incoming calls. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. Those are pre-installed. Here in the system ringtones, at the very top of this list, we've got the option none or no ringtone, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And here you've got the option custom ringtone, so you can enter this section and choose something from your own file. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere here. Alright, so in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. For example, this one. Whoa, what happened? And basically this is how it works. So let's pretend I would like to set this rhythm as my ringtone. So just tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and then go back. And as you can see, rhythm is applied right here, it's notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.